How to delete a design token without breaking the existing design system. I will go to my file, and this is the design library I'm using right now, and this library is connected with the demo file. Now in this library, I want to delete this token called surface-primary, but I cannot select this thing and right click and make it delete. This will more likely to break the system. Now I will do a sanity check. I will go to my file in which the library is connected. I go to the page, any of the page that you feel the token has been used. I will go to the plugin area and run the plugin called find and replace advanced. Here in this plugin find and replace variable advanced, you either select the current page or the whole file. It is good to select the whole file because you are dealing with the design system. For demonstration purpose, I am selecting a page right now. I will hit the scan button, and if I see, I will open the filter, and here in the surface you can see this token surface-primary that has been used 37 times. It will impact on 37 places. For that, I will select this one, surface primary, replace it with any other token. Let's say, for example, I will do it for this demonstration purpose as 600. I hit the replace button. Once the process is done, we will let us know. Okay, the process is completed. I will go back right now. And now if I do the scan, this token is no more exist. Hence, I'm confident enough, right, that I can delete this token right now. If you want to make sure that more likely you have to select the whole file and do the scan once again. Let's do this thing. It might take a bit time based on the size of the file. So here in the whole file, I don't see this token. So now I'm confident that I can remove that token. So I will close this thing, go to the library, right click, and I can more likely delete this token. It will not impact anything in my design system. Hope you have enjoyed the video.